Hello friends, welcome to WinGravita, and today we are going to talk about the acids, bases and salts, and this is the part 9 video, and this is the last video of the lesson of acids, bases and salts. So in this video we will talk about neutralization reaction. Okay, so what is neutralization reaction? So the neutralization reaction is nothing but the reaction in which acids and bases react with each other to form salt plus water plus heat. So what is neutralization reaction? In neutralization reaction, acids, bases react with each other to form salt, water and heat. Okay, so for example, if hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, it gives us NaCl, sodium chloride plus water plus heat is produced. Okay, so this is a easy example. So this is what is neutralization reaction. Okay, so what is neutralization reaction? Neutralization reaction is the reaction of acids and bases. Okay, so now let's look at another thing, that is when a strong acid reacts with a weak base, it gives us an acidic salt. Okay, it gives an acidic salt. So this is what is we are going to talk about now. So for example, HCl is a strong acid. If it reacts with a weak base such as ammonium hydroxide, okay, this is ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide is a weak base, and if it reacts with a strong acid like HCl, then the product that is the salt would be an acidic salt. So here in this reaction, ammonium chloride is produced, and this ammonium chloride is an acidic salt. Okay, so in this reaction, what is the remaining thing? Ammonium chloride plus water plus heat is released. Okay, heat is released. So the salt alone will be acidic, because if I react a strong acid with a weak base, I will always get a acidic salt. If there is a weak acid and if I make it to react with a strong base, the product will be a basic salt, and the remaining, that is water and heat. Okay, so for example, so this is the example for such a basic salt. Okay, so for example, if acetic acid is a weak acid, when it reacts with a strong base such as sodium hydroxide, the product will be a basic salt. Okay, that is sodium acetate is a basic salt. Okay, it is an alkaline salt, and as usual water and heat will be produced. Okay, so remember this always, whenever a strong acid reacts with a weak base, it gives us acidic salt plus water plus heat, and whenever a weak acid reacts with a strong base, it always gives us a alkaline salt plus water plus heat. Okay, so this is what is acidic salt or basic salt. Okay, now we talked about what is acidic salts, what is basic salts. So what about neutral salts like NaCl? Okay, so there is something like that. Okay, so here if the strength of the acid equals the strength of the base, okay, if they're both equally strong or equally weak, okay, then the result will be an neutral salt. Okay, so if I have a weak acid plus a weak base, okay, and these two are actually having the same strength, so the product would be a neutral salt. Okay, it will be a neutral salt. So just like that is a strong acid and a strong base. Okay, so if these strong acid and strong base have the same strength, then they will cancel out each other to bring a neutral salt. Okay, so this is what is neutral salt. If the acid and base, which is reacting with each other or having the same strength, then the salt produced will be also neutral. Okay, so we now talked about what is neutralization reaction, and we talked about the products of the reaction and what is acidic salts, basic salts and neutral salts. Now let's talk about the neutralization in daily life. So we talked about milk of magnesia, isn't it? Do you remember it? Milk of magnesia. So what is it? It is none other than magnesium hydroxide. Okay, magnesium hydroxide. So this magnesium hydroxide is a base, we know that, and we also know that this is used as an antacid. So what is an antacid? Antacid is nothing but it is used for giving relief from problems such as heartburns or something like that. Okay, when we consume this antacid, when we have acidity, it solves that problem. That is because it reacts with the excess acids in the stomach. Okay, so the cause of acidity is nothing but there are excess acids in our stomach. So to neutralize those acids, we consume this basic substance. So now let's look at the last example, that is about agricultural activities. So in this topic we will learn how this neutralization is used in agricultural activities. So for example, if a soil, let's say some plants are growing in the soil, okay, and this is actually a plant grown by a farmer, let's say, okay. So this plant, the soil of this plant is actually, let's say, it is acidic in nature. So he actually, to neutralize the acidic substances into the soil, he adds some basic substances. So often in the fertilizers, such basic substances will be there, or sometimes it might not. Okay, if the fertilizer did not have, he will add some calcium hydroxide to it. Okay, so calcium hydroxide is a base. Okay, when this base comes in contact with acid, it neutralizes it. So that basic substance is added to the soil in order to decrease the acidity in the soil. Okay, so that the plants grow well. So this is what is neutralization. This is a really important topic. So thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel WinGravita and stay tuned for more videos. Okay, thank you.